Hey, it's Business Coach Steve here. Do you manage a team and find that every time you want to make some changes, your team starts to resist? It can be really tough to get things done when your team really starts to push back, can't it? Well, stick around because I am going to share with you how to make change happen smoothly in your organization. In this video, I'm going to share a story about a client who faced really strong resistance to a small change that they put in and how we turn things around. I'm also going to give you three key things that you should be communicating to your team before implementing any of these changes to ensure proper success. When your team resists change, they might continue with the old processes behind your back. They could become demotivated or maybe even leave your organization. And this could really halt progress and growth in your business. But if you can communicate effectively and get your team on board, you can achieve really continuous improvement and growth within your organization. I had a client who made this real small change in their operation, and one employee resisted so much that they started to become negative and demotivating and whatnot. And it really started to affect other team members as well. And this employee start to feel like they were micromanaged and didn't want to come to work every day. Does this sort of sound familiar? I recommended three things from my client to communicate to their team. And after doing this, the employee's attitude just changed. They started to actually even embrace this change. So here's what you need to do to communicate to your team before making any changes. So first, explain why you want to make the change. There's something that you're dissatisfied with, and it's important to articulate and communicate this with your team so they understand the reason behind the changes. And changes are made because something isn't working well, not just for the sake of change. So, second, you need to communicate what it will look like once this change is implemented. Highlight the benefits not only for the company, for the team members as well. If they see how it benefits them, they're going to be more likely to embrace this change. And finally, third, really just lay out a process clearly. Explain to them step by step who will do what and by when. This removes some uncertainty and helps your team feel more comfortable and ready to make those changes. So remember these three things: explain why the change is needed, describe the benefits, what the benefits are going to be to them and to the company, and outline the process clearly. This approach will help your team understand and embrace the change, leading to continuous improvement and growth within your organization. So, if you found these tips to be helpful, if they've resonated with you at all, and maybe you want to discuss how you can implement some of these things in your business, go ahead and book a call with me. As an experienced business coach, I have many practical and tried and tested ways to help you in your organization. So go ahead and schedule a time for us to chat, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.